Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews, guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at appliancefactory.com.
Hi Colorado, this is Cleet Crocker. I'm here at Appliance Factory Mattress Kingdom. I'm your home appliance guy, and today we're going to be discussing washers. So what's so different about this? Well, these are family-sized washers, and I just want to take a look at what's been selling all year long of 2020. So these are the best of 2020. These are the ones that have sold the most. So consumers like yourself have gone out and bought these more than any other one. So I'm going to start with number 5. Our number 5 unit really is an entry level for front load. This is the model number WF42H5000AW by Samsung. It is a nice front loader. So here's what's really cool. Lately, well, really, it's been a while now. All of the washers have gotten bigger on the inside, so a little bigger on the outside. So you still want to make sure the stuff fits for you. But this one here is like the opening price point of those washers. So even though it's the opening price point, it gets us to a very large 4.2 cubic foot. So that's large enough for a king size comforter. It's going to handle the clothes very nicely. And if you look inside, it's actually really large on the inside. What I like about Samsung, particularly this model, is this diamond drum on the inside. So what that means is it's going to be soft and gentle on your clothes. It lifts up the fabric away from those little holes in there so it doesn't wear down your fabric. So you'll see that on practically every washer I'm going to show you today, where they are really gentle on the clothes. The front loaders, you know, they kind of go with first, a really nice washer. The second level up is really a really nice washer that has a sanitary cycle. The third level up is a really nice washer that has a sanitary cycle and a steam cycle. And then above that would be one that they add an allergen cycle to. So that's kind of what we're going to see as we go up through the lines today. So, but this is the first one. This one here, it is just a really nice washer. It doesn't have sanitize or steam. Next ones will have that. Pricing right now, I'm looking now, today's the 7th of May, through Memorial Day to see if we got a better advantage for you on pricing. There is no better advantage on this one. I can tell you right now, $547 is the lowest price out there. It's going to be between now and Memorial Day, so you might as well come in now and get it while there's still supply before that Memorial Day rush happens. So this was your number 5. Let's go to number 4. Okay, we're back. We have the number 4 bestseller of the year. This is an LG this time. It is very much like the last one, except it does a few more things. This is their entry level into front load. It is the LG WM3500CW. So this is their entry level. Things that you can know about it is it's got this kind of graphite ring around it. As you go up in features to the next one that I'll show you next, you'll see that it changes this a silver stainless steel look or chrome look. So a little nicer looking. But this one here, number 4 bestseller. It's larger than the last one we looked at. The last one, the Samsung, was 4.2 cubic foot. This is 4.5 cubic foot. And so it's a little larger. What I like about it also is same thing as last time. It's got those bubbles in the drum that's going to protect the fabric. This one spins out about 1,300 revolutions per minute. So what does that mean? That means that after it's done with the spin cycle, the clothes are virtually dry. So you're going to save a lot of energy trying to dry whatever you put into this washer. So it's a good washer. Some other features it's got a tub clean cycle on there. The last one did too. The Samsungs are self-clean. So what does that mean? That is, these things can get kind of nasty on the inside with all the soapy sludge that can go through them. So their cycles specially designed to be able to shake all that off. So you put a little a fresh cleaner in your washer, right in the drum, put it on a tub clean cycle, and it will clean the whole thing up. It's specially designed to make sure it stays fresh for you. Another thing I like about this one has Wi-Fi capability. So imagine being able to talk to your Google Home or to Amazon Alexa. This is one of those that can help control this washer or tell you when it's almost done. It's actually Really, really, really nice. I think you're going to enjoy that. Easy to use. It comes in white. Its price right now is $6.97. In a week, it's going to be $6.47. So save another $50. Don't wait. Come on in now. It's got the 30-day price guarantee at all the Appliance Factory stores. Just come in now, get it for the great deal that's coming up, and you should be all set. So this is a nice one. This is the number 4 bestseller. Let's go to the number 3. Okay, we're back. We got the number 3 bestseller of the entire year of 2020. This is also an LG. Rates very highly, this one. So now is where we start really getting into some of the upper features. One, it's a little nicer trim looking on this. It's nice chrome looking. On the inside, we've gone from 4.5. This is still a 4.5. It still has the really nice drum on there. But you're going to pick up some features that you didn't get on the last LG. So this one here, it has a really good washing action in it. It's also got a sanitary cycle. So that means it's going to bring the water up to a certain temperature for the right amount of time, and it's going to kill microorganisms. It kills 99.9% of all germs. That's really important right now as we're thinking about the coronavirus and other infections that could be out there. Not only that, it also kills allergens. So this one actually does all the things the sanitary cycle does, plus throws some extra rinses on there. And this is rated to kill allergens out of the clothes. So that's really good. That's going to be really safe for some people. So other things it does, it also has 1,300 revolutions per minute. It's going to make the clothes come out virtually dry. It's got the tub clean cycle as well. And it's got the Wi-Fi controls that can work with Alexa and Google Home. So very nice unit. This is really good. This one also has steam. So this is the first time we talked about steam on a washer. So steam, why do you need it in a washer? It's already wet. Well, it's already wet. So what that means for you is that it's going to penetrate the fabric before it ever starts washing. It steams up first. And what that does is it loosens the fabric. It pops off the stain. So it's something you can use instead of using the stain remover. Now, just like a stain remover, if a stain remover wouldn't get out the stain, neither will steam, but it will keep you from having to put extra chemicals into your clothes. So this one's actually really, really nice. It's fully loaded. Its price right now, well, you know what? It's $8.97 right now. Again, in 7 days, Memorial Day sale starts. It's $6.97. You save $200. Use the 30-day price guarantee right now. Come on in today and get it at $6.97. So this is a really good one. I highly recommend it. It is the number 3 bestseller of the entire year. This one's really cool. This is the number 2 bestseller of the entire year at all the appliance factories out of 3 states that we're in right now. I can tell you this is a big deal. Why is it a big deal? Well, it's got great features, but look at it. It's cool looking. It's more than just features. It looks good in your house. This is the new champagne color, and it has done very, very well ever since it hit the market. So in terms of features, this washer has got the things I like to see on it. It's got the sanitary cycle, so it kills 99.9% of the germs. It's got the steam cycle, so it's going to loosen the stains up during the pre-wash, and it will just pop those things off. So it's very, very close to using the stain protector or stain remover. It's also got a very large drum, and we've got the protective lifts inside there, so it protects your fabric when it's going on. This one spins at 1,200 revolutions per minute. Now, just to compare that, you've heard me talk about how many revolutions per minute these have. The old washers, the kinds that are in a lot of homes today, they're spinning out at 500 or 600 revolutions per minute. So this is like double that. So that's really good in terms of saving energy when it comes time to dry. This also has a self-clean cycle on the wash so that your washer can wash itself. So what about pricing? Well, right now, this champagne model is $677. On Memorial Day, it drops down to $647. So that saves you about $30. You know, they've been bringing this one down as we got closer to Memorial Day. Again, come on in. We'll get you set up and at the $647 price. So this is really, really good. Number 2 seller of the year. Really like it. Oh, by the way, as you're coming in, you know, you want to talk to your sales associate about our uncarded um, and unboxed product that we get from Samsung and LG and the like. A lot of times we get stuff like this in that has some kind of blemish on there. Functionally, it's perfect, just like the rest of them. And you can save hundreds of dollars. So let me give you an example. This particular model, we do have in stock some white units that are identical to this, the same features as what you're seeing. This is $647. The white units that are uncarded are $549. So you can save another basically $100 right there. So this was the number 2 seller. Let me take you to the number 1. Okay, I'm here with the number 1 bestseller of the entire year. Now, if I'm being totally honest, this hasn't outsold the other ones yet because it came in late into the year. It wasn't here for the entire year. So, but the thing is that per month, this is outperforming everything else that I've just talked about. So this one really has the highest growth rate of anything that I've seen. We did a video on this a few months back. It's done extremely well, and we continue to sell these like hotcakes. So what's nice about this, it's got more features than everything else I've shown you. It's really fully loaded. It's big. It's 5 cubic foot. It is made for families. I don't care what size family you have. This is a nice one. So what's so cool about it? Well, you can see it's got the nice drum inside. It's got the protective lifts again that protect your fabric. But what is this? This is actually a antimicrobial band that goes all around that. So it helps keep germs out of this, helps keep it from growing an odor. In addition to that, if you look on this back side, it's got special vents designed to exhaust what's in there. So you know where some people, and probably rightly so, they kind of leave the door crack in order to have it smell fresh all the time. This one doesn't need to do that. It actually takes care of that for you. So how about some other issues on there? Well, get ready for this. It has an odor block to keep it fresh. It's kind of what we were just talking about. It's got the sanitizing cycle to kill bacteria, even without soap. It's got an allergen cycle on there to help folks with allergies. It's actually rated to kill allergies. It's got a reversible door. So most washers will not allow you to remove this door and put it going this way instead of this way. But this one does. This one you can actually unscrew it here, screw it in there. And so what's that good for? Let's say your house has opposite hookups like most houses have, and so that you can put your washer on the side where it has the water hoses and your dryer on its correct side. Or let's say you're going to stack them. If you wanted to stack this washer and dryer, you would have to reverse the dryer door generally. Well, now you don't necessarily have to. You could just reverse the washer door, which generally is not something that can be done. So that's pretty cool. What else? It's got smart dispense. Okay, so I really like this. Right back here, if you look at it, you can open this up and it will hold 50 ounces of detergent. And that detergent is automatically dispensed into the washer as it's needed. You don't have to do anything but fill this up and keep an eye on it so that you know when to refill it again. But it's actually very, very convenient for you instead of having to reach for the soap all the time. So that's a very unusual feature. It also has Wi-Fi, and the Wi-Fi on this one helps you it helps you start it from your phone. You can stop it from your phone, and you can monitor it from your phone. So it's just got everything. It's so easy to use. It looks maybe complicated up here with all the controls. It's not. What'll happen is as you're turning this and you take it to the different settings that we have here, you'll just see things light up. And whatever lights up, you can adjust it however you want to just by hitting these buttons below it and change where the light's at. It's not complicated at all. Actually, it's quite simple. So it's big, 5 cubic foot. It's probably the best for a family size of anything we have. Okay, let's talk about pricing on this. So right now, this is set at a price of $11.77, actually $10.77. Sorry about that. And it's going on for Memorial Day, $947. I can tell you that when it's sold its best, it's always been at that $947 price point. Come in today. Again, 30-day price guarantee will get you set up, and you'll walk out today with this product. Great price, great laundry. Thanks. And it's our #1 seller of the year. So that's it for 2020 so far.